Hi, Joel, and everyone over there at Knutsen Outdoor. My name is Charles. This is Charles with Wadi Digital. It's a small company I started helping local businesses grow through building their online assets. I'm shooting this video just because I wanted to show you what I do and just wanted to give you a few tips that you can use for yourselves to help you rank higher in Google searches, and yeah, just to optimize your site, which is which is really nice, by the way. I have to say it's clean. Um, I like whoever did it did a good job. You've got really high resolution photos. All right, so the three tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. These three things are important in terms of ranking higher and higher with Google, and I'll show you why. All right, so let me not waste any more of your time. Let's get started. So content. Content is everything you see that I've highlighted. All the text on your page, all the pictures, the words behind the pictures, what the pictures are saved as. For example, that picture, you can see it's saved as a string of just texts and um, numbers and letters. So Google reads all of that, and it's important to have keywords all saturated within your text. So for example, if I was saving an image, instead of a string of numbers and letters, I'd save it as a keyword. And by keyword, I mean whatever someone searches when looking for your services. For example, let's say I was searching for landscaping in Lancaster, PA. That's the keyword that your potential clients would type into Google. Typically, something like landscaping Lancaster, PA, or Lancaster, PA landscaping companies, etc. All right, but let's take this as an example. There are tools out there that you can actually see how many people are searching for a certain thing. For example, if I take this keyword landscape in Lancaster, PA, 200 people look for that every month. It's kind of easy to beat, meaning the kind of backlinks you need. And I'm going to get into that in a bit. So the traffic that goes is 200, and you can even tell by domain which people get which traffic. So I know that like this guy Gymscape is one of your competitors. I'm pretty sure Landscape in Lancaster, he gets 29 people just from that one keyword. And if you go to his website, this is his website. Okay, all right. So those are keywords. They're important because you can compare with your competitors. You can look at their keywords, see what they're ranking for, how much traffic is going to their for example, landscapers Lancaster, 80 people search for that per month, and traffic, they get 4 people because they're ninth in Google's in the Google search. So it's possible to estimate what kind of volume you're going to get once you start ranking higher and higher in Google. Okay, but I digress. All right, back to content. To optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of good authoritative text on your front page, and also authoritative text in your other back pages, meaning text that shows what you do, the services, locations you service, and that's saturated with good keywords, like we were mentioning, that that your clients are looking for. Next thing is citations. Now back to the Google search. Once someone searches landscaping Lancaster, PA, you might find ads, and then you'll find this section here that's known as the map pack. With the map pack, you'll find 3 companies, and if you click on more businesses, you'll find the rest of the map pack. It's more or less location based ranking. So back here to the search. So how do you rank higher and higher in this map pack? It's with what's known as citations. Citations are wherever your name address, and phone number, just as they appear in your Google My Business. Wherever your name, address, and phone number appear in different directories online. So they're cited in different directories like LinkedIn, Yelp, Dex Knows, Yext, Better Business Bureau, superpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. The more high quality, relevant to your niche directories that you're cited in, Google recognizes that and puts you up front for the relevant searches. There are tools out there that you can look at your competitors and find out, okay, these are the directories you're cited in. Make sure you're cited in those ones. But not only that, you should double or triple your number of citations so that you're found up here. And one thing I should mention, the importance of being here is that 70% of people do not leave the front page of Google. Whenever you search for something, you probably click on something here on the front page. And that's why we saw those high traffic numbers for certain keywords, for certain companies. So the third thing I want to talk about are backlinks, and that has to do with this organic section here, the organic search listings down here below the map pack. If you think of the internet as web pages all linked together, a backlink is when one web page links directly to yours, directing traffic your way. So let's say there's a forum for landscape designers and they have a blog and they happen to like your company, say something good and put a link to your website. That's a good, strong, relevant backlink because same niche and Google recognizes the authority. However, if it's a Pizza Hut, it's a Pizza Hut linking to you guys, that really doesn't. That's of no value, really. I mean, different niches. Google sees that as kind of spammy because different niches. It'll just think that you're just collecting a lot of backlinks to look good. So not all backlinks are made equal. I have a tool out here. Actually, let me take your website. Let me take your competitors, Gymscape again. Put them into the same tool this time. And I am able to see what backlinks he has. Actually click on them and find out how I can place you on his higher quality backlinks. But not only that, I'm able to double or triple the number of backlinks that he has going to him, which makes Google just make you seem more relevant. And this is what I meant. Not all backlinks look the same. This is some Russian site, I'm guessing. Let's click on it. See, I'm not sure why he's listed in this site. He has a backlink to this site, but Google probably sees that and takes that as a very spammy site. Let's see if we can just analyze your site for a second. So you have a lot more backlinks, but you're ranking for a lot more keywords. But my guess is that at least hardscape in Lancaster, PA, that's 150 people search for that a month, and you get 5 people because you're 8th. So you are ranking for quite a bit. But in terms of location-based searches, because most of these, landscape lighting Lancaster, PA, you could rank higher for this. You could target, if you target the kind of keywords that your competitor has, you could get a lot more traffic as well. Like these location-based keywords, he has a healthy amount of traffic, but as we've seen, it's pretty easy to rank higher than him. My guess is that you're not targeting your backlinks towards these keywords that he's ranking for because you don't have them on your site yet. Anyway, those are the 3 things I just wanted to share. I'm glad this video is under 10 minutes. That's what I was planning for. So I would just advise you, hand this to your SEO or your website person. I'm seeing that they're doing a good job. Hand this to them, let them implement these things, get you guys more and more clients within your local area. If you'd like to work with me, again, my name is Charles. I'm with Wadi Digital. If I can just get my website up here. Um, yeah. And Joe, I will see you later. Take care.